Can you believe it? Google My Business is no more. Now, you would have heard me saying how important Google My Business was for every business, for you to make sure you get your profile up there, to get your photos and business descriptions, to get your reviews there. Why? Because it was a free service. Unfortunately, they have decided to make another change. Having said that, this change is not going to be really bad. Because what they have done is they've made a name change and changed a bunch of stuff. You can watch in this video how I describe the changes that have been made. And thankfully, these are going to be positive and lots of good stuff is still to come. Hey everyone, I promised to do a quick video on Google My Business, or the transition of Google My Business from Google My Business to whatever it is today. It's called, as you can see, when I go and Google My Business, typically you get Google My Business on the right-hand side there, right? What am I seeing now? I'm just seeing Google business profiles get listed on Google. What is it doing? What it's done is it's transitioning this Google My Business to Google business profile. So let's see how it works in actual fact. So what I did was I went into Google and typed in netStripes, just the word no.com, and typically what you get is on the right hand side it says Google My Business. It delivers all the details here, and if you are the owner of this, you can go and edit your business information. It says Google Business, but now what it allows you to do is it allows you to edit from here itself, as you can see. All right, so if you go and click on edit profile, let's do that. Go in there, and so you can go in and type in all your business information here. So you know, what's the business name, description, opening date, it's open already, telephone number, website, where are we located, service area, you know, if we are not open for breakfast, etc. So we're not a cafe, so we don't have to do that. So the contact details, location, as you can see. So this is everything, but you can go to the different areas there. All right, so that's for the business information. Go into the opening hours, you give that, you can go and show your products that you deliver here. Right, so you can go and add the products there if you want to do it. We have added some, so that's the edit profile part, right? You can add photos, you know this stuff. I'm not going to do all that. The other important aspect of that is, say, if customers, you manage your customer reviews, all of that from there. View and reply any reviews that have come through. So here are the reviews netStripes have got. How many are there? 51 reviews. Pretty cool. Very proud of that. I must say our team is doing a great job. I'm sure you will feel the same when you see those reviews. And do I have to reply that? Yes, that needs to be replied. That has been replied. 10-year porters hasn't been replied, so that's not good. See, we got to reply every one of these reviews. I don't know how that has been missed. My fault. I should not have done that. All right, so that's how you manage. So customers, not only reviews, right? If they have messaged you, you can see these messages, right? There you go. Turn the messages on. That's a new feature. Turn on chat. Turn it on. Let's see. It's done. All right. So now, if we have any messages coming through, oops, what happened there? I'm going back in there. Just want to make sure. Turn on web notifications. Yes. Allow. because we want to know when messages turn up. Okay, and Q&A. This is if people want, questions are there, but if customers ask questions, so that's a new setting to promote the business, right? But that's not all. Um, sorry, I was at customers, wasn't I? Yes. So there you go. So that's all for customers. But if you're going to promote, there's a bunch of stuff in there, some new stuff, some great stuff. Performance. This is like Google Analytics. It shows you how many people have come in. If you click that, you'll go into Google Ads. So where you can go and create a Google ad campaign for yourself. Be careful how you do it unless you know how to do it really well. You're better off leaving that to the experts because you will end up spending a lot of money for little result. Add photos. I'm sure you know how to do that. Ask for reviews, add an update on what you're doing, add an offer. This is really valuable, guys. Here you go. Offer title, start date, end date, photos of the offer, etc. Okay, I'm going to do anything there, add an event. So you can go and add an event. Okay, event title. We use this a lot, the events. Okay, and it's really valuable. So there you go. And once you update it, people come here, they will see where you are because you've set the location. Of course, I'm sure you know how to do that. If you edited any of that stuff, that will show here as well. Your reviews will show. By the way, these are the regular reviews, as you can see, what we saw earlier. 51 reviews at 4.9. I'm so proud of that, I must say. No doubt you will be the same when you see your reviews. And here are 4.8. So you might wonder, why is it 4.8 there? But this is from Facebook. So they're importing the reviews from Facebook and showing them there as well. So you can get more reviews. Click on that. All right, so from netStripes, our team has put in some photos. So these are some of the events that are running. Some of them are I saw a new event that we're running this month. I've been playing around with this. Here you go. That's the next event on the 1st of December, succeeding in 2022, strategies to succeed in 2022. And this one is on the 25th of November, so come for that. Doing some advertising, aren't I? Look, it's a free webinar. We're not charging you for it, so join us. All right, guys, so that's when it comes to your business. So this is called business profiles, okay? As we saw here, Google business profiles. The other thing I want to show you in how it works in Maps. Again, in Maps, you can come and make changes here as well. You can edit stuff. You can put photos, etc. Okay, so there you go. That event we saw earlier, it's over here. So maps are super important. So Google My Business, which has now become Google Business Profiles, is a super tool. All right. So hope this video was useful. Not the change is not that big, but no doubt more changes. Watch this space because more things will happen. Google would have made this change not just to make a mere name change, but to make sure that they can keep adding features. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe and share this video with your friends who need to know about this. Thank you.